Hungary and Poland's veto of the EU's trillion-euro pandemic recovery fund could throw the continent into crisis. On Monday, at an ambassadors' meeting in Brussels, the two countries objected to its approval in protest at the bloc's latest rule of law proposal, which links EU payouts to the respect for democratic norms. This includes problems with media freedom and judicial independence. For the Hungarian government, though, it's just a political weapon to be used against them.
What we see on the table on behalf of the European Parliament and on behalf of the Council itself, headed by Germany this time, is not an objective criteria system, and that is, it is not possible actually to have a proper discussion even on the topic by those criteria that has been set out. So we've been very clear from the very beginning. Hungary has not changed its stance on the so-called rule of law criteria. We believe that in its recent form, it is all but political blackmailing.
The Budget and Pandemic Recovery Fund contains nearly €2 trillion in grants and loans to help member states overcome the economic fallout post-coronavirus. But the EU can only go ahead with it if all member states agree. Any further delay could be devastating for the economy.
Until we don't have that unanimous vote, we cannot adopt the package, and then the money cannot start being paid out to those that are waiting for this, right? There is thousands of small companies that are on the brink of bankruptcy that are waiting for this money. There are millions of citizens are waiting for this money, so we don't have much time.
And the European Parliament isn't willing to renegotiate the current rule of law deal, just to please Hungary and Poland.
Orban is holding the entire union, is holding the entire response to the corona economic crisis hostage, and not to fight for anything meaningful, but to continue stealing EU funds for his personal gain.
EU leaders will now try to resolve the issue at their next video conference on Thursday. Christopher Pitchers, Euronews, Brussels.